Welcome back. I'm Brooklyn Maple with Kentucky Legend. Not sure what to do with all of those ham leftovers? We have the perfect casserole for you. We have a greased 9 by 13 inch casserole dish. We also have 16 slices of bread here. We have it divided up in two. We've cut off the crusts and cubed them. We are going to start by layering with half. I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of mild cheddar cheese, followed by 6 slices of Swiss cheese. We are now going to add the most important ingredient, the Kentucky Legend ham. We've also cubed these as well. Another 1.5 cups of mild cheddar cheese, followed by the remaining 6 slices of Swiss. Top it off with the remainder of the bread. I have 3 cups of milk and I'm going to add in 6 whisked eggs. I have a half a teaspoon of dry mustard, a half a teaspoon of onion salt, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper. I'm going to whisk that all together. And now I'm going to pour it over the mixture. We are now going to refrigerate that overnight. The next morning, you're going to melt 1 stick of butter and add it to 3 cups of crushed corn flakes. Mix it together and you're going to add it as a topping to your casserole. And then it's in the oven at 375 for 40 minutes. And there you have it, golden brown and delicious. Make sure you look for Kentucky Legend in your local grocery store this holiday season. From all of us at Kentucky Legend, we wish you a happy holiday season.
These recipes and more available at KentuckyLegend.com/recipes.